HTML5 genuinely introduced real dedicated semantic tags header, nav, main, footer, replacing generic real divs for common page regions. In this video you'll use them correctly. Header tag genuinely marks the real introductory content of a page or section, often a logo and title. Main tag genuinely marks the real, single primary content area, should appear only once per real page. Footer tag genuinely marks the real closing content, copyright, links, contact info, at the actual bottom of a page or section. Header tag genuinely marks introductory content. Main tag genuinely marks the single primary content area. Footer tag genuinely marks closing content like copyright and links. Rebuild a real page's div-based layout using genuine HTML5 semantic tags. Ready to build a real, structured data table?